In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs, a versatile and powerful tool to maximize your productivity. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you can make the most out of this fantastic feature. First, ensure you're on the ClickUp homepage. Simply open your browser and head over to ClickUp's website. Once there, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click on it. If you haven't already created an account, now's the time to do so. ClickUp offers a range of features that can significantly enhance your project's workflow. But for today, let's assume you already have an account. Click on your account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, where you can see all your existing projects. Now, locate and click on the specific project you want to use a doc for. This is your personal workspace, where all the magic happens. Within your project dashboard, you'll notice several options along the top navigation bar. Look for the View button and give it a click. This area allows you to customize how you see and interact with the elements of your project. After clicking on View, it's time to find the Doc tab. Click on the Doc button. This is your starting point to create, organize, and maintain text-based documentation for your project. Once in the Doc section, you're ready to start editing. Begin by typing the heading for your new document. This serves as the title and gives an initial context to what your document is all about. Now, one of the impressive features of ClickUp is its AI capabilities when working with docs. You can utilize AI to enhance your document creation process. To do this, look for the Help Me Write option and select it. This feature provides assistance and suggestions as you draft your document. Next, consider clicking on Generate Action Items. With the power of AI, ClickUp can suggest actionable steps based on the content and focus of your document, providing structure and guidance where needed. Once you've generated these action items, it's crucial to incorporate them into your doc seamlessly. Click on Insert below, which will add the generated content directly into your document at the desired point. If, by chance, your document is still empty, or you need a jump start with some general ideas, ClickUp offers a feature for injecting general action items. This can be particularly helpful when managing a project effectively. If suggested, click on Since the document content is empty, here are some general action items for managing a project effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to mastering ClickUp Docs, making your projects more organized, efficient, and successful. Remember, utilizing tools like AI within ClickUp can dramatically reduce the time you spend on administrative tasks, so you can focus more on what truly matters, getting your project across the finish line. Thank you for tuning in, and happy ClickUpping.